Learn English alphabet. A for apple, B for ball. A for apple. Apple. B for banana. Banana. B for banana. C for cat. Cat. C for cat. D for dog. Dog. E for dog. E for elephant. Elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. Fish. F for fish. G for giraffe. Giraffe. G for giraffe. H for horse. Horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. Ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jelly. Jelly. J for jelly. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lion. Lion. L for lion. M for mango. Mango. M for mango. N for nest. Nest. N for nest. O for orange. Orange. O for orange. P for parrot. Parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen bee. Queen bee. Q for queen bee. R for rabbit. Rabbit. R for rabbit. S for snake. Snake. S for snake. T for tiger. Tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. Umbrella. U for umbrella. V for violin. Violin. V for violin. W for whale. Whale. W for whale. X for xylophone. Xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Zebra. Z for zebra.